Hi everybody, this is Angela Baylog. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So welcome to MBA 500 or MHRM 544. I know we have a variety of students in this class, which is awesome. We have some MBA students, we have some Masters in HR students, we have some Masters in Health Science students, and I think some Masters in Education students. So we have a great variety. This course is all about studying organizations. So really when you talk about any industry, and any discipline that you guys are studying right now, you will all have to work in organizations. So all of the theories that we're going to learn about management, leadership, motivation, all of those things that we're going to study really are going to pertain to any discipline or any field or industry that you're going into. So that makes this really exciting. And I think because of the variety of disciplines in this class, it's also a really engaging learning environment to learn from each other. Potentially we might have students in here that are looking to get into the human resources discipline or the human resources field, but potentially they're looking to work in the healthcare field, which is actually a common thing and a common experience that I've had in this class from previous semesters. So you'll be able to find a lot about this class in the Start Here module, which is the very first place that you should go. There's introductions, you'll find a bio. For me, it talks about my experience as an educator, kind of how I got to St. Francis, a little bit about me personally, and some more information that you guys can find, some interesting facts. You'll also have to post an introduction of yourselves in week 1 for us just to get to know each other, and that's really the aim of this first week. We're not going to start on brand new material until week 1, which starts July 2nd. But you do have some things that I want you to look at for this week. So one is, again, that introductory assignment, which is a discussion board. There's a short article that I'd like you to read, and you'll do a practice assignment on that. Don't worry about writing too much, maybe just a paragraph to kind of spark your interest and where you really want to focus kind of your impact in this course. And then you'll also choose a week that you'll be presenting for your article presentations. And there's a lot of info, and like I said, in the Start Here folder. Your week 1 module is also available, so you can start to look at that material once you get through the introductory activities. And again, the pace of the course is relatively fast because we're going in a 7-week course. But, we still have the responsibility to get through everything that we would get through in a standard 15-week course. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of reading, a lot of writing, and there's a good amount of work. But I think that this is going to be a really beneficial course for all of you that are in this class. And like I said, I think it'll be a really dynamic class. And really engaging because of the different disciplines and experiences that we have. I like this course to be very engaging, very discussion-based. You will see in the weeks where we do have discussions, we do have a relatively large class. As of today, there's 20 students in there, but I break everybody down into small group discussions. So in weeks 1 through 3, you will be with 4 other people in your small groups, and then in weeks 4 through 6 you'll be with a different variety of people. And this is just to kind of mix things up, but also not to burden you all with reading 20 different discussions each week. I really want you to focus on being engaged with the people that are in your small groups. Those are for our weekly topic discussions, and then as you read through the syllabus and the course calendar, you will be able to see that we have some additional assignments where we'll be discussing, kind of as a class. You have an article presentation assignment, which is what I want you to look at to sign up for a week in the topic that interests you. And you'll find more instruction, like I said, in the Start Here folder. But you guys will be able to engage with any topic that interests you, and then pick kind of a current article of an organization that, potentially they're applying the concepts or applying the theories that we are talking about in the class. And that discussion is actually open to the entire class, so you won't be in your small groups for that, but you'll be able to watch other people's presentations if you're doing a recorded presentation, which I love to use recorded presentations. I think it's a really engaging way to get the students acclimated to the content, but really to get them discussing things as if we were in a live class and you were giving a live presentation. Those will be open and everybody will be able to watch each other's presentations, and you'll be required to provide some commentary and some discussion on each other's work. So some engaging activities, some fun things that we're going to be doing over the course of the semester. So I welcome everybody. I hope you're excited about taking the course. Please know that you can reach out to me at any time. It is the summertime, so I'm typically only on campus maybe one day a week or something like that, just to get through some meetings and some prep work and things for the next semester. But I'm always available through email. I'm also always available and just a phone call away. So if you feel like you need to discuss something over the phone, please send me an email and we'll hook up and get a phone meeting going. If some of you are local, I'm happy to meet for a cup of coffee. And to discuss the course or to go over any material as well. So I want this to be an engaging and fun course. I want it to be very interactive. Really excited to get to know all of you, and welcome to St. Francis and welcome to the course.